Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fully load the Fire Stick, but not only that, but to give you access to the best store for free movies, TV shows, live TV, everything else. Now, the Fire Stick has been blocking a lot of content, filtering things out, but don't worry, I have a way around it. And in this video, you're going to find out exactly how. A lot of videos don't tell you this, but I'm going to guide you step by step and show you exactly how to keep on streaming and keep on getting the content, okay? So just follow me along. Pause if you need to. If I go too fast, I'll try to keep a good pace. Okay. Now go here. The first thing you want to do on your Fire Stick once you boot it up, go to Settings and then go to My Fire TV or My Device. Now once you're there, I see developer options, but you might not have it, which is completely fine. You want to click About. You'll see your device name. It says Fire TV or My Fire Stick 4K, whatever it says. You want to click on that name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need, you're already a developer. But if you're not a developer, it will tell you now you are a developer. Click back and you should see developer options. Once you're done that, simply press the home button. And from the main menu, go to Find. Click into Search right here. And here you can use the Alexa remote or you can type it in. I'm going to use Alexa remote and search for downloader. Downloader. This is going to come up. Orange icon like that, 667,000 reviews. You want to click on the downloader application and you want to press the download button. It's going to queue it and it's going to download the downloader application. Once it's done, we're not going to open it up. We're going to get the notification. We're going to hit the home button. Now, the next step you want to do, you want to go to Settings. You want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. Click inside there. Developer options, you want to click inside. Install unknown apps, you want to click on that. And you want to turn the downloader to the on position. Once you do that, you want to press the home button. Now the next step, very important, a lot of content is being blocked, filtered out, and we can't even get the store. So to get the store and to load everything, we need to go to Find and we need to get around it. To get around it, find and search, and simply just type in this, IP vanish. Okay, just like that, the word IP vanish. Okay, and search. You should locate a green white icon right there, IP vanish, 4-star, 94,000 reviews. Click on it. Once that's done, click on download. That's going to queue and download the IP vanish VPN. Once it downloads, all we have to do now is press the open button once it installs. Now what a VPN is going to do is going to give us access to that content, keep you anonymous, keep you protected, give you links that are being blocked, give you apps that are being blocked, and give you all the updates, and most importantly, give you access to the App Store as it's being blocked by a lot of internet service providers. You want to open it up, and once it opens up, you should see something like this. You want to click the login button just right there. Okay. Now, when you click that button, this will come up to log in and you'll have a QR code here. Don't scan this QR. That's irrelevant what we're doing here. You want to get to the screen email and password. Now, what you want to do, I'm going to log in with my email and password, but you can get your own account by scanning this barcode here or going to this bit.ly link. Also in the pinned comment description, there's a link for you. Now, just for transparency reason, there's a tiny fractional cost associated with this VPN access. It's $2 and change per month. It's a cup of coffee. That's how much it costs. No more. And what that's going to do, it's going to give you access to the store. I'm going to set up the servers to get all the applications, to get all the updates, and to remove those filters and those blocks that might be occurring on your Fire Stick. So you can scan this barcode or go to the link, whatever is more comfortable for you, from the phone, from a laptop, however you want to do it. Once you're on that page, fill in your email address, fill in your password, choose your package, hit subscribe, and you're going to be set up with an account. IPVanish is going to email you to confirm your account in your email box. Just watch out for that email from IPVanish, maybe in your spam box or inbox. Confirm your account with the email you created, and then log in using the email and password. So to get that discount, 87% off, $2 and change, cup of coffee, unlimited devices, unlocks everything. Grab your access here. Very easy to do, very easy to set up. And pause the video if you need to take care of that. And then in the next step, I'm going to show you how to unlock all that access and how to specifically change the server settings in IPVanish to give you access to all that content and which servers to set up, okay? So pause the video to take care of that. And once you're done that, we can continue in the next step once you log in. I'll log into mine and then I'll show you the next steps, okay? Here I am logged into the VPN. The first step you want to do is hit the gear icon. And from here, connect on Android Startup, flick it to the on position. Once you do that, let's go to the server settings by clicking the location right there. And under countries, you want to go all the way to the United States. It doesn't matter where in the world you are, where you're watching this from, always go to the United States. Now, once we reach United States, click on United States, favorite United States, click on that. I'm going to put a yellow star, click on it again and say connect to United States. Now, what's going to happen? It's going to come up with this. You want to press the OK button on this request. And now it's going to connect and protect you. Now to grab your account, just like I said, scan this barcode, go to this bit link. You're going to get 86% off. It's going to keep you protected. And now we're going to be able to proceed to the next step to actually get the actual App Store, which has over 50 applications. So make sure you take care of that. You're going to stream anonymously. You can use one account on unlimited devices. Okay. So once you do that and take care of that, the home button, and we can proceed to the next step. So let's go to My Apps and Games, expand it, and go to Downloader. It's going to come up, press OK, click one up, this little yellow box, highlight it, click inside of it, and put in the following URL, Unlinked, just like that, .link. Let's put that in. Once you've done that, you want to press the go button once you put in unlinked.link, okay? Now, it's going to take us to the Unlinked website, and you'll see I can move my mouse cursor around by moving the D-pad here. Once the website loads, the process will be very straightforward. We're going to scroll down, highlight Download APK Android, and click on the middle of the D-pad. Now, it's going to come up, and it's going to start downloading that specific item here. Here we are. And when it downloads, it's going to ask us to install it. Give it a minute to pull the download into our device, okay? Once the download finishes pulling it onto our device, you should get a notification that's going to ask you to install it. So here's that notification. It's going to come up right now. And you want to press the install button, but don't press the done button. Just simply press the done button, sorry, not the open button. Press the done button, not the open button. Press done. Now press the delete and press the delete to delete the installation file. And once you're done that, you want to press the home button. There's one final step we have to do. You want to go to settings again. You want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. You want to click inside of there. Developer options. Install unknown apps. You want to turn the unlinked to the on position. Now once you do that, press the home button. And you want to now go to My Apps and Games. You want to open up the Unlinked application by clicking on it. Once that comes up, you simply press the new library, click into this blinking cursor, and put in the following code. I'm going to put in Firestick. Just like that. Once you put in the code Firestick, you want to press the next button. That's going to go in and make sure you read this welcome screen message. Very important message. Make sure you read this message. It tells you all this information, what you might want to install and do. Okay. Now, once you're done that, press the back arrow key. It's going to throw you right out. You click on it again. Now, when you click on Unlinked again, it's going to bring you to this menu. Click the New Tech Apps. Okay. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm showing you Firestick tools, but you can scroll up and down, left to right to all these categories, and you can enjoy all this content. It's available with a fingerprint. Just with your finger, scroll up and down. Finger away. That's it. Just one click. Okay. So for today's video, I'm going to be loading App Cloner. So click on App Cloner and press the download. So what this tool is going to do, if ever any applications from my store get blocked or filtered out, all you have to do is just get the App Cloner application, and that's going to allow you to get all the content unlocked, unblocked. I'll show you how to do this. So let's install App Cloner. Once that application pulls in, I'll show you how to install another application. And you would install any other applications just in the same fashion. I'm installing the App Cloner application here, block fix right here. It's absolutely the same way to install all these other applications, okay? Here I am. Let that kick in up to 100% and press the install app. It's that easy. You just press the install app. That would install the actual application. Okay. Now screen would flicker. Now we're going to get another application here. Firestick task tool. Press the download because I'm going to clone that application. So for example, if that was the application being blocked, I'll show you how to fix it with the app cloner. Install app, press the install. Okay, screen will flicker, applications installed. Scroll up and down, left to right. All those applications are actually available in my store right below. Okay, let's press the home button now, and you can come back to the Unlinked store at any time. And if you go to my apps and games, you'll notice something, that I have the app cloner application and I have our test application installed here. Now, if I clicked on this and it told me it was being blocked and I couldn't launch it, not a problem. I'll show you how to fix that if that ever happens. You start up app cloner. Okay. And for the first time running it, you'll get some agreements and things like that that you might have to scroll through it a little bit. And once you're done that, you can hit the middle of the D-pad and press the agree. And that's going to launch the app. Now you can see I have my test application installed here. And if it wasn't working, I would clone it. If it was being blocked, I would click on it. And then I would say grant permission. For the first time you have to do this. It throws you right into the install unknown apps. And if app cloner doesn't show up, not a problem. Click one back, install unknown apps, go back into it, and make sure you turn the app cloner to the on position like that. Now once you're done that, hit the home button and start up app cloner again. And this time we don't have to go through the agreement. It's only once. Okay. And it will start up just like that, very quick. And now we would click on that actual application. I wasn't working. And then we would say clone application. We'd click on that. It would modify things. It would take a little bit of time. If the application is larger, it might take more time, but it'll clone the actual application. It will take us to 100% here. Just give it a minute. Signing the base, 100%. Now it'll pop up to install the cloned app. So we install it right onto our device and press the done button. Now once that's installed, you'll see we have two applications. So this is our new one. It will say clone. Very, very nice to do that so we don't get confused. And this is the old one. Let's say it wasn't working. We would click on the old one because we don't want it. Press uninstall, press OK. That would uninstall that application. And now we're left with the clone. So we know that's the working one. Now if we go here, you'll see that our clone is going to be here. And we know that's the clone because we uninstalled the original. If you don't uninstall the original, you would have two same applications, one working and one not working. So depending which way you want to do it. So anytime anything's blocked, you can just fix it just like that. Remember, you can go back to my store at any time. Now I'll show you for this entire process. I had my VPN on. For this to work, to get continuous access to my store, to get all the updates on all those things, make sure you're connected to the US server. Doesn't matter where in the world you are. Make sure you do this process exactly as you see it. You'll be able to access this and to get all the updates and all this stuff. Like I said, it's a cup of coffee per month. It's not very expensive because I negotiate a great deal for you guys at 87% off here. By scanning this barcode or going to this bit.ly link exactly, you'll get that deal and you're continuously streaming and remove all those nasty blocks and filters from the Fire Stick and being able to get all that content, okay? So that's available. If you haven't done it, I highly recommend it. Highly protected. You're going to be anonymous streaming, okay? Press the home button and you can access those apps, my apps and games at any time. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me. Highly appreciate it. So if this worked for you, drop a comment below. If it hasn't, drop a comment as well. And I haven't put a pin lock into my store. Some people have been knocking off my content, but I haven't put a pin lock. If I do put a pin lock, just comment below pin lock or city and town you're from, name of your cat, dog, your favorite food, whatever you want to make a comment. And I'll reply with a 4-digit pin if I do ever put that pin in place. I haven't yet, but if I ever do, that pin number will be found exactly right below this video for you to enjoy. Okay? So that concludes this fully loaded workaround. No one does this the way I do it. I show you step by step, guide you guys through. I would ask you, if you pass this video on to a friend that's frustrated with his Fire Stick, hit like, hit subscribe. Highly appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.